I'll just quit it over here, open my Kali Linux. Perfect. So I'll just type the harvester D, and over here will be the URL. So I'll just type google.com L300 B Google, and I'll just hit enter. So what you could see over here is that it's searching all the results on Google, and there were no emails found with this on this website. So what it shows is that minus D over here, thing that I wrote, minus D will be the remote site from which you want to fetch the juicy information. I will limit the search for specified number. For us it would be 300, and minus L over here will be the limit for the search specified by the number, that is this one, and minus B will be the search engine that I use. So from the above information of email address, you can go and identify the pattern of email addresses assigned to employees of organization. As of Google, it's quite secure, so it won't show you anything, but let me try something else. Let me go ahead and use a different website. I have one more thing in place, so I'll type, let's say, 6th startech.com, and let's check if we get any results. Okay, so I'm not getting any result. Maybe even this has got way too secured. So but yes, this is how it works, and you can go ahead and find out any information that you want through this. So from the above information, I can go ahead and show you all of these things. The command will grab the information. I'll also show you one more thing. Instead of that, I'll just type all the harvester hyphen D6 startech LB all. Perfect. So what it will do, it will go ahead and search on all the search engines, and it will give me back the result. This command will grab from multiple search engines, and as you can see that first it was searching only through Google, and now it is searching even through Bing. So to save the result, just go ahead and put a -f parameter as shown in the example. I'll just go ahead and show you. Okay, so there were no email IDs found for over here. I'll just, and just in case, all, and I'll type -f, and I'll type pen test. So just in case you go ahead and find any email IDs over there, you can just go ahead and type it over here like this, and it will be saved in the pen test directory. And -f means that you are asking it to save it in a specific folder. As you can see, it was error creating file because there was nothing found. But let me see if the file was created or not. So I just need home view tree. Okay, perfect. Okay, as you can see, we have a pentext HTML, and yes, there is nothing over here as of now because we are not able to find any information. Let's check some websites. If I get any good website, then I'll surely go ahead and let me think Microsoft, and I'll go ahead and search the same for Microsoft.com because probably there are. I'll type, let's say, I don't know whether it will work or not. Just let's check. Let's try to harvest some results, and I'll open another one. I'll go ahead and type the same thing. So let's go ahead and try our commands once more, and I'll type Google this time. So let's check whether we get any information. I should probably get perfect. So as you can see that previously my internet was down, so that's the reason I did not get anything. And you can see that I only searched this in Google, and I got these many email IDs from that. So it's quite easy for you to understand that what would be the email IDs and what they could give things out. So let's go ahead and check for google.com if you are able to get anything for Google. So if just in case if you get any results from Google that XYZ at the rate blah blah blah, and you get that any fake email ID, and you want to search whether the email that you received, because sometimes some attackers what they do is that if you have an organization and then they go ahead and send the email to an employee of your organization stating that this is from the IT department and we are asking you to go ahead and log in at the following terminal, and this is the google.com and this is your Gmail ID, so just log in. And so you need to know that whether the email came from the right party, from the same google.com or somewhere else. So you, at that point of time, you can go ahead and check the host and the domain over here, and these are the two emails found over here, and these were the host IPs for each and everything, and you can go ahead and gather information, and it will be much easier for you to identify whether the person who sent you the email is the right party or not. You even have the IP address from where these emails get sent, so you don't need to worry about the IP addresses. Just in case your the mail that you received was a fake one, you can also go ahead and easily trace it, since you will already also be having the IP address. So that is it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, I'll be starting with the who is and the DNS mapping and stuff. So that's it for the harvester.